Lesson 131. Number 1, 40 times 4. Remember the trick with 40 times 4? You take the two 4s, multiply them together. 4 times 4, 16, and then you add the 0. Make 160. Number 2, 331 plus 479. 3, round 234 to the nearest 10. I'm looking for the nearest 10. Here's the tens place. The hundreds place is not going to change because I'm not rounding to the nearest hundred. So the nearest 10 is either going to be 30 or 40. And I have to look at my ones place. If it's less than 5, I round down. If it's greater than 5, I round up. So 4 is less than 5, so I'm going to round down. So the nearest 10 is 230. 4, 286, take away 164. 5, compare the shaded parts of the two squares. Then choose the correct sign. So I'm looking at these two shaded squares here. We have half, and then we have 4/8. Now just by looking at this picture, I can tell that 4/8 is equal to a half. So let me put an equal sign. I could also do this trick with 4/8. I can divide it by itself, the top, using the numerator, the top number, but whatever I do on the top, I have to do on the bottom. And so I know that 4 divided by 4, that equals 1, and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. It means you can make two groups using with 8 and dividing into 4. Okay. 6. What will be the time 3 hours before noon? So 3 hours before noon, remember noon is 12 o'clock. So 3 hours before, I'll just count backwards, or I could just take away 3 from 12. 12, 11, 10, 9. So the time will be 9 o'clock. Actually 9 a.m. It's in the morning, because noon is the afternoon. 7. The bodybuilder drank a total of 35 liters of milk in 7 days. How many liters of milk did he drink each day? So 35 liters of milk in 7 days. How many liters do you drink each day? It is a division problem. 35 divided by 7, or I could flip this around and it could be multiplication. 7 times something equals 35. 8. Any number multiplied by 0 has an answer of 0. 9. Turn to page 297 of your Hands on Pages. Measure the pencil, fork, mouse, and match to the nearest half inch. Use X's to add the data to the line plot. If you have a ruler, go ahead and do it. If you don't, you could just skip this problem. 10. What fraction is shaded? Fill in the missing denominator. So here's my missing denominator. The fraction that's shaded is already here. 1 is shaded. And the bottom number, that's my total amount of parts I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 11. Fill in the sign and make this sentence true. 813, is it greater than or less than, or is it equal to 381? I'm going to look at my hundreds place first. 8 is greater than 3, so I know that 813 is greater than 381. 12. Choose a description that matches the picture. 14 divided into 7 equal shares. 14 divided into 2 equal shares. Equal shares means number of groups. So let's see how many groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to be A. 13. Two shapes can have the same area and different perimeters. Each shape has an area of 24 feet squared. Find the perimeter of each shape. Perimeter is the measurement outside of the shape. So I'm going to count up, and I'm going to add all my sides, because that's how you count, or that's how you find the perimeter. So I'm going to count this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. This side from here to here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the shape has equal sides. So if there's 4 on this side, there's going to be 4 over here and 6 here. So let's see. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 4 more, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, plus 4 more, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Has a perimeter, 20. This one is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put 3 again, and 8 here. 8 plus 8 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So those are the perimeters of each shape. 14. Draw a bar graph to match the information in the chart. Give the chart a title. Colors of cars in the lot. Could always give it the same title over here. Move it this way. Number the chart by 5s. Label each color and then draw in the bars to complete the graph. So label it by 5s. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And then you'll put the colors here. Maybe I'll put W for white. And we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So my bar graph, go here. And color that in. Color would be the next one is black. Put a B for black. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to count by 5s. And then I'm going to draw my bar graph. Okay, that's it for this lesson. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching.